welcome back to my kitchen for a brand new video. I'm super excited because today we're making Chick-fil-A copycat chicken minis. It's basically a dinner roll stuffed with one of their chicken nuggets and coated in a honey butter. It's simplicity at its best. So today we're gonna learn how to make it at home and even better. And just before we start, if you're enjoying this video and excited to see the recipe, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when I upload a new recipe. On that note, let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is make our dough so that it can proof while we work on everything else. In a large bowl, add warm milk and sprinkle the yeast on top. Whisk that all together, and then you're gonna add sugar, salt, 1 large egg at room temperature, all-purpose flour, and unsalted butter, which could either be softened or completely melted. If you have a stand mixer, combine that together using the hook attachment. If you don't have a stand mixer, just use a rubber spatula or wooden spoon. Then knead the dough together for about 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer it to a greased bowl, cover, and let it rise in a warm place for about an hour or until double in size. While the dough rises, we're gonna work on our wet and dry batter for the chicken nugget. For the dry batter, you're gonna need all-purpose flour, plain breadcrumbs, cornstarch, powdered sugar, and then we have all our spices. They include chili powder, salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. Mix that together and set it aside. For the wet batter, we're gonna add whole milk, pickle juice, which I really think gives it that Chick-fil-A signature taste, 2 large eggs, and then a pinch of salt and black pepper. Whisk that all together and our batters are done. After about 1 hour, the dough is gonna be super puffy and doubled in size just like this. Punch the dough down and transfer it to a floured working surface. Make sure to sprinkle a little flour on top of the dough as well. Then take your rolling pin and flatten the dough out into a large rectangle about 13.5 by 9.5 inches. It doesn't have to be exact. Then you'll cut it into small squares just like this. Now we cover and let it rise again, but this time only for about 40 minutes. During the second rise, we're gonna make our honey butter, which is super simple. It's just honey and butter. Once the rolls are double in size again, after 40 minutes, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until the tops are beautifully golden brown. While the rolls bake, I like to bread and fry my chicken. Take 1 pound of chicken breast and slice into small little cubes just like this. I like to cut the breast into strips and then cut the strips into little cubes. Take each nugget and dip in the wet batter. Make sure to let any excess drip off and then transfer to the dry batter. Use your other hand to coat it really well in the dry batter. Shake off the excess and repeat with the rest of the chicken. Once they're all breaded, allow it to sit for 10 to 15 minutes before throwing it in the fryer. Make sure the oil is hot enough, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then add the chicken nuggets in batches, making sure not to overcrowd them. Fry in 2 to 3 batches if necessary. Make sure to shake them around as they fry so that it's golden brown all over. Once they're beautifully golden, transfer to a wire rack. And that's it for the chicken nuggets. When the rolls come out of the oven, we're gonna separate them, open them up, add a chicken nugget, and brush the top with tons of honey butter. I also forgot to show this, but I like to add a little sprinkle of some sea salt on top as well. And make sure to be generous with the honey butter on top. Repeat until you have no more rolls or nuggets. And that's it. That's how you make Chick-fil-A chicken minis. It really has that perfect balance of sweet and savory, just like Chick-fil-A. If you end up trying this recipe out, let me know how you like it down below in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!